Oh my god! What car owner do you guys facing same problem as me? Looks how dirty is it, especially after raining. Wifey car body shampoo, a wash and wax 2-in-1. Dilution 1 to 200 soapy with pleasant smell. Looks at that bubble and smell really good. So let us wash till. Wash and wax 2-in-1 suitable for car coated. pH balanced hydrophobic effect. Formulated using premium grade. Ingredients with high foaming will gently clean the paint. Let's try Wifey car body. Lotion shine and protect wax and coating. Looks at the result, guys. Leaves a deep glossy shine while offering additional wax protection. Let's get the same one for your boyfriend and husband.